Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Google launched a new campus on New York's Hudson River this week. The company is targeting New York for its diverse talent. Google just began bringing employees back to physical offices after more than 2 years of pandemic remote work. The United Kingdom wants to improve trade relations with Iran, an aide to the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said, adding that this will be possible once the Iranian nuclear deal is revived. The euro rose to a more than 1 week high against the dollar after a spate of hawkish comments from the European Central Bank officials as they raised bets that the eurozone interest rates will rise soon. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. Eurozone's current account will be released at 0800 GMT. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun bank manufacturing PMI will be released at 030 GMT. Japan's Jibun bank services PMI at 030 GMT. And the UK's retail sales at 0600 GMT.